Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a CapCut tutorial on how to turn your HDR on and off. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, that I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is there's a way to do it on phone and a way to do it on PC. The phone way is a little bit more easy. So you have to go to the export tab like so, and then there'll be an extra little section here called Smart HDR, and then you just want to go ahead and toggle it off and then press save before you press export. And then on PC, what you need to do is make sure you don't have anything selected by clicking on random space and then going into your modify section, and then you can change from Rec 709 SDR to one of these other ones to kind of change the color space and maybe make it a little less yellow. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and put them down below. But other than that, though, it's been a CapCut tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.